Start it.
Good.
Oh yes, Tiggy.
Oh, that's the first one, that's wet.
Yeah. 5, good. 6, 12,
Lovely.
well done.
Exactly, yeah. It's actually a calm ride.
So they're obviously crouching after fucking laps. Didn't have to. Obviously not really too much.
Yes, lads, just get these bibs off me, please.
Yeah, lads, little idea then. Volleys you. Yeah, lads, stay tall. Keep it up. Yeah, just keep your feet.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, lads, the quads, just a little hold. Check it out. Yes, mate, jump over here. Spend a little bit of time in there, lads. Well done. There, boys. Little cross the arms, please, into that squat. Little rotation of the hips, and we're down there. Good. Like it, little one, two. Yeah, good quality shot. Good. Dribble it in. Dribble it in. Like it. Good. Nice. Nice. Keep scanning all the time. You dribble in, bro. Good. Detail to everything you've got. Good. Keep scanning sharp. Get your habit. Get Brennan back foot in that back four. Don't get locked in. Good.